So this next step is freestyle, or it's an introduction to freestyle, but it's really just these big arms. And so I kind of show them, like, we're going to do some big arms out of the water, okay? This does not have to be perfect in technique. What I care about is, are their arms coming out of the water? They might look like this, right? They're kind of big. They don't have a good bend to them. There's not really good technique. And so I practice with them first, standing up. Can you stand for me? Just stand on the ground. And I'm just going to say, we're going to swim with our arms all the way out of the water. They're going to be big, big, big. And I show them first what that feels like, how their arms come all the way out of the water. Okay? And then I'm going to say, you're going to put your face in and you're going to swim with those big arms. Can you go to the stairs and then come to me with those big arms? We're going to try 3 big arms to me, right? I'm not mentioning anything about kicking right now. I'm just having them do big arms is what I say. Ready? Put your forehead in the water. 1, 2, 3. Notice how it's pretty splashy, but his arms are coming out of the water, and that is good. He didn't really kick his legs. We would do that multiple times. Okay, that was so good. Let's do that again. Probably 3 times in a row, okay? Okay, we're going to do it again. This time I want you to kick your legs with it, okay? Big arms and kick your legs, okay? Good. Notice how his body now is starting to look a little bit like a snake. It's a lot for somebody, even adults, to think about legs and arms at the same time. So what I'm going to say now is I'm going to say, Neil, I'm going to have you start in streamline. This is going to help him get into the right position. Neil, this time I'm going to have you start in streamline and just do those big arms for me, okay? Streamline and big arms. Oh, stop. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Notice how his body stayed in the right alignment because he started in streamline. Still a little splashy, but he made it. He was going somewhere. And then he started to kick his legs just a little bit, and that's good. Nice work, buddy. Okay, so that would be our progression. You do big arms. Once they're really comfortable at that, you do the kicking with it. If they're struggling to get a good alignment, you have them always start in streamline to get that alignment going.